Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a vegetable. It is a crunchy and refreshing root vegetable known for its crisp texture and peppery flavor. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as radish, radish, dish, radish. They have been enjoyed for thousands of years, dating back to ancient Egypt, and were used as offerings in religious ceremonies. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about radishes, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.